This was also the white-faced capuchin monkeys. We got Tom and Pablo. Tom is the little one here. Pablo is the oldest one here. We also gonna have a chance, so you guys get to go in with them and take pictures. The only thing that we can do, guys, when we go in is trying to grab the monkey. Just let the monkey get on you guys, okay?
They like Chris.
Tom is the little one on your hand. This is gonna be first time for everybody. Close the monkey.
The second one for him.
Okay. The sunflower seed is like a treat, guys. They mostly eat fruit: papaya, watermelon, and banana.
Oh my gosh, it's so cute. I'm over here with you now.
What's going on, guys? Look at this little guy right here.
Little one, Tom.
We're in Honduras with the little monkeys right here. What's his name here?
Tom.
This is Tom?
Tom, yeah.
Hey Tom, how are you?
Tom?
He's ready for his close-up.
Yeah.
There you go, buddy.
Hello?
Woo, this is so cool. You wanna go, Mama? Mama?
It's okay.
So you don't talk, guy?
Those one now.
Are you a mute?
They're pet for lifetime, guys. They live 75.
75 years?
75 years, sir.
Wow.
I'm gonna bring them down, so we got to get that picture. Mostly fruit, guys. Papaya, watermelon, and banana. See, it's like a trick for us. Those Mac and Jerry. Same kind of monkeys from the first one. This is Mac right here. You guys also get to see a little scratchy on the face, but they also like to fight a lot for the food, guys. Right there.
Amanda, look at me.
She's one of the oldest one, 18 years old. We don't name them, guys, because they all look alike.
Hey, buddy.
We're not gonna know who is who,
Look
guys.
at guy. Look at that, guys. Look at this monkey.
Ready, sir?
Yeah.
Just bend down a little bit for him, so you can reach for his shoulder. Right there, sir. To get a selfie. A little bit for her. Right there.
Say cheese.
Oh, I don't see you right. There we go.
Someone else? Ready? Let's stand over here. You get it, sir?
Yeah, I got it. So how cool was that? The little birds, the monkeys. Now we're gonna see the king, the sloths. Woohoo!
Oh. She actually holds still more than a baby because Sadie doesn't do it.
Oh wow, that's pretty good, yes.
This is Jessie. Her name is Jessie. Yeah, she's very nice, man. She's not gonna hurt you. Right there. When you're ready, just let me know.
Oh my gosh, that's so cute. Hello, Libby. There we go. Wait, this one. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, let me change it. There we go. Okay, look at the sloth here, Amanda and Chris.
It's a miracle.
Look at that.
I'm not gonna move.
Oh my goodness, that is so cute. So cute. Hey baby, and look at these sloths, guys. Look at these. They are the gentlest giants right here. Look at those claws right there. But they don't move, they stay here.
Sweet little
So
blinker.
cool, so cool. If you come to Honduras, Roatan Island, I recommend this excursion. Look at these amazing, amazing animals, guys. Here comes Chris with his.
Look at that. You guys just look like you have your shirts off.
Hey, it matches my beard, right?
Take a picture, Amanda.
Okay. Hang on, let me back up a little bit. Oh, you want me to turn it?
Oh my gosh, it's amazing.
Okay.
Yes.
These guys are so cute.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome, sir. Honey, yes, sir?
Cool.
The market, the male hat. That's natural. That's how they burn, guys. You guys get to see the one he's holding. It's a lady.
That is so cool.
Yeah, man,
Oh, that's so cool. Thanks.
So that mark.
That's
right
from the
there?
boys, yeah.
It's from the
That's how
boys.
we get to know the difference in a boy and a girl.
Okay.
Is that Mark?
That's natural, man. So that's how they burn. That's Alex. That's one of the boys.
Hi, Alex.
Again?
Right. Look at this. He's going to the gym right there. Come on. One. Yeah.
I got some good ones.
Not like
Look at these guys. Iguanas. There's iguanas on this place. There's one by the wall over there too, Bill. The iguana. I wanna be left alone, you say.
me. That's what it here. You can't even shoot them. It's illegal to kill them. You maybe have a lot of deer where you guys come from, right?
Yes.
Oh yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, we have them in our yard.
And that's what grown right there. That's the bigger they get here, guys. They're very small here.
Hey guys. No horns.
No horns, no females, no males, guys.
So those. What is it? Those? What is it called? Those?
Yeah, doe.
Doe?
Yeah, if there was one more, they'd be traced.
Oh, cállate. Shut up.